All right, guys, how are you? So we're just going to jump right into our problem solving here. And we're looking at $20 minus $8.98. Okay, so you probably noticed that we have some zeros over here. And on the bottom, 898, I cannot take 8 away from 0. Some of you guys know this already, and I apologize if this is a review, but just for everybody else, let's go ahead and walk through the steps. So first thing I want to say is the $20, if you took $1 away, how much would you have? That is right, you geniuses. You would have $19. You would have $19 instead of 20. And you would have $1 to spread out over these other zeros. So you basically have 100 pennies, right, that you could spread out. So instead of this being 0 pennies here, I'm going to instead take that dollar and put it here. And now what do I have? I have 100 pennies. I have the 1 here, and I have 0, 0 here. But I still have nothing over here that I can take the 8 away from. I cannot take 8 away from 0, right? So instead of having 100 pennies, let's change colors here. Let's go green. So I'm going to take these 100 pennies and I'm going to put some of them over here, and now I made that a 9. So I have 90 and I also have 10. That's still 100, but I'm just moving these around so that I can use them to subtract, right? Okay, so now I have what's called borrowed from the $20 and put them over there. And I have 90 pennies here, and I have, 10 pennies here, which is still 100 pennies, but I have them spread out different. Okay, that took a long time to explain that. So now I'm just going to do, so let me rewrite this over here as if it was what I just rewrote. I know this looks a little weird, but just stay with me here. That's the 90, and now this is the 10, okay? And remember, the most important thing is that you line up the decimals. 898, and those decimals have to be in line. Now, this looks pretty simple, right? So I'm going to put what here? That's right, 2. And then here, I have basically 90 pennies, but I'm just going to use this as a 9. 9 minus 9 is, because this is really 90 cents, right? It says 9, but really it's 98 cents, but this is a 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. And then here I get 11. And it's really important to check your work, right? So to check my work, what I can do to make sure my answer is correct, let's do blue. I'm going to say, okay, I got 1102. 1102 was my answer. I'm going to add it to this, 898, and I'm going to see if I get 20, and let's see what I get. So 2 plus 8 is 10. I can't write 10 down here, so instead I'm going to put the 1, and then I'm going to put the 10 over here in the tens place. 1 plus 9, okay, same thing. Can't put a 10 down here, so I have to move it over here. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 8. That's 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. And carry that. And then I have 1 plus this one up here, and that is 20. So I know my answer is correct. All right, let's try one now with you doing it.